I wish I had the same delusion that I do when I was two and didn't think that I could ruin anything at all. I could never fall. I wish I had that same conviction, convinced I never needed fixing.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Opaglamz and I'm back with another video. If this is your first time of seeing my video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Click on the notification bell so you get notified anytime I make a post here on YouTube. So today I'll be showing you how I install Microlocs using the braiding method with interlocking at the roots. This technique gives a neat uniform look and is perfect for clients who want longevity and easy maintenance. So before I start, I would like to take my time with parting and sectioning of the client's hair as you already saw me doing, then making sure that my sections are clean and everything. This sets the foundation for how the locks is going to look and also grow. Okay. So what I'm doing now basically is that I am braiding the client's hair. Yes, braiding. Do you know you can actually start your microlocks either by braiding or twisting or interlocking from scratch? Yes. So the reason why I am doing braiding method for this client is because of our hair texture. Our hair is finely coiled and loosely coiled rather. And starting with a twisting method might probably have so many that would unravel, and I don't want her to go through that stress, which also is not a problem because we can easily fix them in a next retie appointment. But to have long lasting locks before your next retie, I always recommend braiding. It's still going to lock up the same way. It's still going to be, you may probably not even know the difference between a client's lock that started with twisting or the braiding method. Okay. So braiding the client's hair, as you can see, it's quite easy. You're doing the regular 3 strands braids, and it's easier to install this way. Of course, it is longer. It is quite easier when you start with twisting because before you know it, you're practically done with the twisting. But braiding is more time consuming. Okay. So for clients with medium to coarse hair texture, braiding is a great option because it gives more structure at the base. Braids, they hold the pattern a bit longer before the hair starts to lock, and they create a more defined uniform look for the client's hair. And also make sure that the tension is just right, it's not too tight so it doesn't cause stress on the client's scalp, but firm enough so that the base doesn't loosen easily. Again, remember, we're still going to interlock the base or the root, so it doesn't really matter if it's loose or it's tight. You can also interlock that to fix that. But the main goal is to create a secure foundation that will mature beautifully over time. Okay. So after braiding the strand, as you can see, I move on to start interlocking the roots. In just few seconds you're going to see me interlocking the roots. Yeah, so it's especially helpful for clients with fine or soft hair texture because it prevents the roots from puffing up or unraveling too soon. I use the tool, this is my crochet tool, to gently pull the ends of the braid through the base and alternating direction so the pattern stays balanced. Okay, so this method helps the log grow in neatly and adds strength right where it is needed at the roots. Can you see the lines of this client's braiding interlock or microlock? It's really, really beautiful. Okay. So the main goal for me is to make sure the client's microlocks, they're neat, tension free. Of course, you're going to get some level of tension, especially for people with sensitive scalp when I'm going in with my interlocking tool. But generally, you're not supposed to feel the crazy tension. The most important thing is that your base is done well and your microlocks is looking really, really beautiful. Okay, so I'm just going to stop talking. I just want you guys to enjoy this video to the end, and I will be right back. Oh, and I thought to add that if you're wondering if the client's hair is going to be full, going to look like once the hair is locked, because you'll be wondering, oh, with braids, you're not going to get fuller locks. let me remind you that it doesn't really matter if you have high density or your hair is going to grow even more. Of course, you're going to experience some level of fullness, okay? I'm going to attach what my client's hair is looking like right now from the first time I installed her hair and what her hair is looking like after the fourth or I think the fifth retie. So you guys can see her density. Her hair is looking really well. It's looking very full. You might probably even be wondering if it's the same client, but yes, you're gonna see it's still the same client. So don't be bothered about the density of the hair, how it's gonna look like. Might probably not look full now because it's braids, but trust me, lots of freeze is gonna happen as well. Same thing with when you get twist done for your micro locks, okay? And if your hair is going to be full, if you're going to have some level of more density to your micro locks, you're still going to have it regardless if it's braided or if you started the micro locks with twist. So again, I'm going to attach a video of this client's hair, and if I'm not mistaken, I think this is a fifth retie. Her hair is looking really well, everything is looking really good, and yeah, it's really looking really nice. And also for our ends, there are some clients who would prefer to have some pause left for when they get locks installed. It's okay, it's fine. You can leave your ends the way you'd prefer. While for some other clients, they would trim out the ends once their hair is fully locked because they don't like the coily ends. It all depends on the client and honestly what they prefer. And if that's something you like to have some curls, then you're going to leave some hair at the end so that it can coil up, okay? And for this client, you're going to see our ends are really coiling up really nicely. But the end result is that our locks are maturing very well. And again, how you start your locks is so important. So make sure you're getting a good loctician to help do the business for you and so that you can enjoy your locks as you go.
Hey, Mama.
Hey, Papa.
Hey, Papa.
No, I wish I saw what she saw. I wish I knew what she knew. I love how she just don't. But sadly, I've outgrown. I know I'm still that girl, but I don't know how to show it. Like she knew, like she knew, she knew, she knew. I wish I saw what she saw. I wish I knew what she knew. I love how she just don't. But sadly, I've outgrown it. I know I'm still that girl, but I don't know how to show it. Like she knew, like she knew, she knew, she knew. Baby, know that she knew. That girl knew. I wish I had the same delusion that I do when I was two and didn't think that I could ruin anything at all. I could never fall. I wish I had that same conviction, convinced I never needed fixing. Yeah, that girl really knew her business. Where did she go? Yeah, she thought she could do anything, thought she could get anywhere. Confident she's number one, and if nothing, everybody's wrong. Used to be calm, now I can't remember how I used to do it. That I was a member of Confidence Club, guess that don't last forever. I wish I saw what she saw. I wish I knew what she knew. I love how she just don't. But sadly, I've outgrown it. I know I'm still that girl, but I don't know how to show it. Like she knew, like she knew, she knew, she knew. Wasn't really ready, no, I had to grow up, but it's so heavy and I'm feeling low. Unlearning all that was wrong for me. And I wish somebody would've should've warned it. No, they did, but I kept ignoring. Didn't wanna have to face it, but if I don't know it's gonna break me, oh. Yeah, she thought she could do anything, thought she could get anywhere. Confident to be calm, now I can remember how I used to do it. That I was a member of confidence club, cause that don't last forever. I wish I saw what she saw. I wish I knew what she knew. I love how she just don't know. But sadly I've outgrown it. I know I'm still that girl, but I don't know how to show it. Like she knew, like she knew, she knew, she knew. It's like sitting in a boat, wondering if it is going to float. Now that I've packed all my things, is there anything else I should bring? Yeah, all that shit that I can't. Man, that baggage is heavy. Maybe I got reason to worry. Please don't tell me I got reason to worry now.
Jag kollar dig hela tiden. Hej, hej. Nu ska jag zooma in dig lite så att jag kommer närmare dig. Då kan du säga hej mamma.
Hej mamma.
Hej pappa.
Hej pappa.
No, I wish I saw what she saw. I wish I knew what she knew. I love how she just don't know. But sadly I've outgrown it. I know I'm still that girl, but I don't know how to show it. Like she knew, like she knew, she knew, she knew. I wish I saw what she saw. I wish I knew what she knew. I love how she just don't know. But sadly I've outgrown it. I know I'm still that girl, but I don't know how to show it. Like she knew, like she knew, she knew, she knew. Baby, know that she knew. That girl knew. I wish I had the same delusion that I do when I was 2 and didn't think that I could ruin anything at all. I could never fall. I wish I had that same conviction, convinced I never needed fixing. Yeah, that girl really knew her business. Where did she go? Yeah, she thought she could do anything, thought she could get anywhere. Confident she's number one, and if nothing, everybody's wrong. Used to be calm, now I can't remember how I used to do it. That I was a member of confidence club, cause that don't last forever. I wish I saw what she saw. I wish I knew what she knew. I love how she just don't know. But sadly I've outgrown it. I know I'm still that girl, but I don't know how to show it.
Well, thank you guys for sticking with me to the end of this video. As promised, this is my client's hair. This was our third retie, not our fifth one. And you can see the volume already. It's so beautiful. Anyways, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. Click on the notification bell to get notified anytime I make a video here on YouTube, or post a video here on YouTube. Until my next video, bye guys.
She knew, like she knew, she knew, she knew. Wasn't really ready, no, I had to grow. But it's so heavy and I'm feeling low.